Welcome to Fredericton Kia. I'm Aaron, the Kia guy, and today is Wednesday, which means it's walk around in 90 seconds. And today we're talking about the 2022 Kia Forte EX model. So let's get it started. Put 90 seconds on the clock. Here's everything you need to know about this model. Let's start. Behind me is the 2022 Kia Forte EX model, and it is powered by a 147 horsepower engine with a 2.0 liter 4-cylinder vehicle. All right, as you can see, you have chrome trim and aluminum wheels. And as you are driving, you have safety features like blind spot detection, forward collision avoidance assistance, and lane keep assist, and driver alert monitoring. While safety always our #1 feature, that this given a 5-star rating of. With tech additions like wireless charging, a heated steering wheel for comfort, with an 8-inch display infotainment system with Android Auto, Apple CarPlay. You also have features such as steering wheel controls and Bluetooth streaming. And let me tell you, once you have a heated steering wheel, you can't go back. You'll always want one of these with heated seats along with this heated steering wheel. Along with remote keyless entry, power windows, cruise control, heated power side mirrors, and handy rear view camera offer endless convenience. Easily turn on 3 driving functions right here. When you press, you have the options of normal, sport, and smart. Thanks for watching today's video on this beautiful day in February. And if you are interested in the Kia Forte, contact us through Messenger on Facebook, send us an email, call us, whatever method you want, or just show up. Test drive one today. We'll see you in our next video here at Fredericton Kia.